Look at that apple fritter. That is gorgeous. Okay guys, we're gonna use my cast iron pan today. We're making apple fritters. We're gonna go ahead and pour in our oil. Okay, now we've got our pan heating up. We're gonna go ahead and cut up 2 cups of green Granny Smith apples. I hope everyone is doing good today. Ooh, these apples smell so good. I love cinnamon fried apple fritters, okay? Oh my gosh, they're just absolutely wonderful. You know, I just recently moved, and it's in a neighborhood that the houses, you know, people are waiting to close on them. So our neighbors just got here from out of state. So I'm going to give them a welcome gift of apple fritters. So I said, I'm going to take you guys with me. I just find this is the easy way to do it. Okay, we're just going to take off the ends or any little seeds. We don't want our seeds in there. And we're going to cut these up kind of small. We want our apple fritters to taste like they've got apples in them, but we don't want them to be so big that they don't cook, okay? So we just kind of dice them up, almost like hash browns, maybe a little bit bigger than a hash brown. And we want to use Granny Smith because they have less moisture and they just make a better apple fritter. So now we're making our batter. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now we need 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Just put it right in. Okay, now we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We need 2 large eggs. 3/4 cup of whole milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I think 2 would be good. Now we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and this is optional. Now, I love cinnamon. Some people put cinnamon in there, some people do not. But I am a cinnamon girl. Okay, now we're just going to take our dough whisk and just start whisking it around. And we just whisk it around about 50 times. You get a little bit of exercise in. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put in 2 cups of apples, of diced up apples. We have a little bit left. And then we're just going to fold it in. Now we're going to set these to the side. We're going to go ahead and make a little glaze. So when they come out of the frying pan, they'll be ready to be glazed. Okay, so we need 1 cup for our glaze. We need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and I'm using whole milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So here we are, we're just going to whisk it around, and that's going to be our glaze. That's going to be our glaze for our apple fritters. We're going to set that to the side. Now we're going to get those apple fritters in our frying pan. We're going to use this ice cream scoop to make our apple fritters. This recipe comes from a little Amish store, and I love this recipe. It is scrumptious, okay? It is scrumptious. It's almost like a donut recipe, and you put apple fritters in it. It is amazing. And I like to cook these in a cast iron pan. It just feels like such a southern thing to do. Okay, we're going to take these off. These are ready to go. Probably about 3 minutes on each side. And they look beautiful. Okay, here we go. We're going to put some more in there. And I kind of spread my dough out a little bit so it won't be one big ball, so it'll all cook evenly. Just kind of release your dough a little bit on the long side, like that. We just want to make sure we got all that grease off. That's why we use a paper towel. We're going to glaze these little fritters. Don't they look delicious? You might need to make a little bit more of the glaze. I think I'm going to have to. And we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to drain them on a paper towel because we don't want all that grease. Put them right on the paper towel. Let's finish off this batter. Guys, there is nothing like getting in your kitchen and making something like this. Something that you see at the grocery store that everybody purchases. You can make it in your home. You can make it better in your home. Our apple fritters are done. We're going to have to try them. Look at those apple fritters. We're going to try one of them. Look at that. Look at that apple fritter. That is gorgeous. I got to try it. Y'all. Oh my gosh. That is perfect. Completely cooked through. Oh my gosh. You bite into an actual apple. You taste the apple. Look at what I did. I took a little basket that I got from the Dollar Tree. I put it all with parchment paper. I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper right on top. I'm just going to kind of fold it around. I'm going to take some goodies over. Happy Spring and welcome them to the neighborhood. And then I can just hang this right on the door and knock on the door and leave. I don't want to interrupt people's day. You guys go. You're so sweet. I wish I could do it for you. I really do. You are my neighbor and my friend. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.